Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in just 3 minutes. So first of all, you're gonna go to shapes and you're gonna insert this arrow-like shape, only the next part, the forward part of it, you're gonna duplicate it and rotate it into the opposite direction. Place it right here next to the first shape and duplicate it again, and there you go. Now what you're gonna do is duplicate the middle shape and you're gonna place it upwards. So a total of 4 shapes, you're gonna remove the outline and unite them, decrease the size, and adjust them into the template like this. And there you go. Increase its size, something like this. And go to shapes and insert a rectangle right here and into the bottom. So to remove the unwanted pieces of the shape, we're gonna subtract both the shapes to remove the unwanted pieces that are out of the template. And next we're gonna duplicate the shape and we're gonna place it next to the first shape, and we're gonna duplicate it again for this shape we're gonna adjust it next to the second shape, and we're gonna duplicate it again, but for this last shape we're gonna make it really so thicker like this. Let's remove its fill, and there you go. Select all the shapes, go to shape format and press union, go to format shape. First of all, copy your image, go to format shape and go to fill, press picture texture fill, and then click on clipboard, and you're gonna adjust the picture into the shape by using offsets. You're gonna use eyedropper to change the format background, but be sure to use this better color that suits your picture and that makes it clearly visible as well. So let's add just a shape and let's use this color, but this doesn't look right, so let me just use more eyedropper to get the most suitable and perfect color, but this it doesn't look right. So and then I have decided to use the black color, and I'm gonna copy my title and subtitle and the content text, and I'm gonna paste it right here, and I'm gonna change this color to this color. And there you go. Let's decrease the text size because I want it to be fit into the template without going out of the slide. So it is fit now, and we're gonna place it right here. And we're gonna change the color of the subtitle, something like this. And there you go. Let's change the color of the content text as well into a silver color, something like off-white. And there you go. Now I have also given the animation, and this is the final result. If you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing stuff and videos like these.